Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to fix a few issues in our app, especially in the navigation and in our message image. So let's start coding, and the first thing I want to fix is this one. I don't want to show a link, I want to show send image when it's an image. So we are going to go to our inbox row view, and here when it's an image I want to add a condition if message dot is image equal true. In that case I'm not going to display message dot message text. I will instead of it write send picture, else of course I display our message text. Okay, perfect. That's the first issue I want to fix, so hopefully it will be fixed now. Okay, perfect. We fixed the first issue. The second issue I want to fix, I want to be able to go to my chat when I click on it inside the inbox. So let's implement it. So we will go to our inbox view, and in this navigation link I don't want to give it the user.mock-user. I will give it if let selected user equal selected user, and I will give it as an argument the selected user. Okay, hopefully this will solve the second issue I want to fix in today's video. Okay, if I click on it, okay, it didn't solve it for some reason, so let me check why. Okay, I made a mistake, I apologize. Equal message, I apologize, dot, not sharp dot user. Okay, I apologize, a silly mistake from my part. Okay, perfect. Now the second thing I want to fix, as you can see, I got two arrows. I don't want to have two arrows, I want only one. So one of them is added by default, so inside the list, so we will fix it. An easy way to fix it is to implement a Z-stack. And here inside the Z-stack I have my navigation link. And my inbox row view won't be inside my navigation link, it will be above it. And here I will have an empty view, and I will give it opacity of 0. It's not a perfect way to handle it, but it's an easy way to fix this issue. So hopefully everything will still be working perfectly. Okay, when I click on it I go, so perfect, and I only got one arrow. Now the second thing is I want to handle the image, I want to see the time, I want it to be on the right in this case, so let's handle it. We will go to our SHAT view, or I think our SHAT message cell, I apologize. Okay, and I don't want this condition to be here. I want it to be inside the v stack, and if message dot is image equal true, I want it. In that case I will add this code, I will cut this and paste it here, and I don't need this else anymore. Okay, perfect. I will give it a spacing for if message dot is image equal true. In that case, I want 0 spacing. If it's not an image, I want a spacing of -15. Okay, for the width and height, I want the width to be 100 and the height to be 180. Okay, perfect. For the padding, same thing. I want to make a condition if message dot is image equal true. In that case, I want the padding to be 1, else I want it to be 12. Okay, perfect. And the second thing, as you can see, I'm using a message text that is clear. For the image, I don't need it, so if message dot is image equal true, and else, in the else condition, I will keep it. But if message dot is image equal true, in that case, I will use a spacer, and I will give it a frame with a width of 99. Okay, this is for the case where it's from current user. I need also to handle it for the case where it's not from current user. So here it will be, I will get rid of this. It will be very similar if message dot is image equal true. Later when we do a refactoring, maybe I won't keep it this way, but for now let's keep it this way. Else, of course, message dot message text, and if it is an image, we will display this our kingfisher image. We don't need the else, so we will delete it. Okay, perfect. Also for the width it will be 100 and the height 180. For this one I will do also the same with the spacer. So if message dot is image equal true, in that case it will be spacer with dot frame and the width of 99. Else we display the message text that has a foreground style of clear. Okay, perfect. For the padding also the same thing, so I will test if message dot is image equal true. In that case it will be 1, else 12. And the only thing I will add is this here, it will be dot padding of dot trailing, and if message dot is image equal true, in that case it will be 5, if not it will be 0. And that should be all what we need for our view, I think. Let me check. Okay, for this one also I need to add if message dot is image equal true, it will be 0, else -15. And that should be all what we need. So let's run and see that hopefully everything is displayed perfectly, so we can go to the next issue. Okay, if I go, okay, and clearly it's not right. So I did a little mistake apparently, so let me check where everything went wrong. So if message dot is image, okay, frame of 100. Okay, and I forgot the else condition. I apologize. Let's say check what I added it here also. Okay, perfect. Hopefully now it will be working perfectly, so we can go to our last issue of the day. Okay, perfect. As you can see, it's in the right and it's perfect with the time and everything. Okay, now the last issue of the day is this one. If I go to Thomas Shelby from a new message, I can go. Then if I repeat and try to go to the same user, it doesn't go. And the reason is very simple. We are going to handle it. Also, we need to go here to our inbox view, I think. And here we got, we are using this one, dot on change with selected user. If selected user is equals to Thomas Shelby, we select Thomas Shelby. And then we select again Thomas Shelby. The problem, if you select the same user twice in on change, the user didn't change. So that's why it doesn't get called, and that's why we don't show the chat. To handle it, we need to make, after we do the toggle, we need to make our selected user equal nil. Selected user equal nil. And that should solve our issue. So let's try it, and hopefully it will be working perfectly. Okay, so if I go now to Thomas Shelby, okay, we went there, perfect. If I do and select again Thomas Shelby, again we went, that's perfect. That's all I wanted to show you in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.